Mabi Chinomona is not merely an embarrassment to leadership. She is a case study in how power decays when it falls into hands that mistake noise for authority. Every time she speaks, she performs her own autopsy, exposing the incompetence, greed, and ideological bankruptcy at the heart of Emerson Mnangagwa system. She defends. This is not leadership, it is malpractice. Sarabina mashuhuda pangwa inoi kena mchati achikomenda apane message yakadeliverwa naMabi Chinomona recently. Awa vachinge vapiwa motor vehicles settlements league notable subscribe or like on the bell icon. Kena mchati apulanyira chiti. In a nation staggering under hunger, poverty, and hopelessness, she stands on public platforms boasting about being a thug. That single word is a confession, a self-indictment delivered with pride, while citizens scrape for survival. She celebrates the very behavior that has brought Zimbabwe to its knees. It is a grotesque display of detachment, a declaration that the suffering of the people means nothing to those insulted by privilege and protected by impunity. She drapes herself in the title of war veteran as if it were armor, yet her conduct disgrace the very legacy she claims. True liberation fighters fought for dignity, justice, and the future of the ordinary person. She fights only for relevance. True veterans carry the weight of a nation. She carries only her own self-interest. Her behavior has reduced a noble history to a hollow slogan, a shield used not to defend the nation, but to escape accountability. Here is the surgical truth. When the people look at her, they do not see courage, wisdom, or leadership. They see the final symptom of a system that no longer even pretends to care. They see a voice that echoes the regime's arrogance, a mouth that opens only to remind the nation how far its leaders have fallen. History does not forget such betrayals. Your legacy is writing itself, and it is damning loud and irreversible. Kanyangara face zvese nemoyo ndo mashoko anodai kupangwa inoi aiwana kirina mjati mborise mafungo enyu moti kudii pamusoro these attacks vachiudzwa kuti awa these guys vari kuuya panguva inoi vachinyatso kuexposa their failure as a party. Ndinga kumasection medu zvafungo enyu, sound subscribe or like on the bell icon.